We founded Gutter Shutter in 2020 because I saw a need for a family-owned and operated business providing covered gutters, maintenance-free gutters here in the Milwaukee market. I've got 17 years of experience in the gutter industry, 10 of those specifically with covered maintenance-free gutters. The services we offer are a full replacement gutter shutter system as well as soffit and fascia. I am passionate about giving my customers a long-term solution. That's why we provide the gutter shutter all-in-one full replacement system to keep our customers off the ladders. With Gutter Shutter, your gutters are clean forever. We serve the whole Milwaukee and southeast Wisconsin, including Delafield, Waukesha, New Berlin, Germantown, Cedarburg, and all the surrounding areas.